Buenas tardes, señoras, señoritas.
Buenas tardes.
Me llamo Sergio, tengo un canal pequeño en YouTube y me gusta grabar eventos como que de pura fortuna los encontré y quisiera que me dieran un poquito de background de qué están haciendo, qué están promoviendo, qué causa están ayudando. Take it away, ladies.
Okay, Peace Community March. ¿Hablo en español o en inglés?
Los dos.
Paz y unidad. Es un programa que empezamos desde el año 95. Empezó con Brown Berets. Luis, Alejo y Felipe Hernández, que es mi hijo, empezaron con los Brown Berets porque no había mucha representación para la gente latina en el City Hall. Entonces ellos miraron la frustración que teníamos nosotros durante la huelga de la canería. Entonces ellos miraron la frustración y de ahí empezó mataron a unos niños, uno de 15 y la otra niña de 9 años en un drive-by shooting. Entonces eso los frustró mucho y entre ellos miraban que yo y Mary Lou, la mamá de Luis, teníamos mucho coraje porque eso no debería haber sucedido, esos niños eran chiquitos. Entonces de ahí ellos miraron la frustración que tenía toda la comunidad y empezaron to branch out de Brown Berets a Peace and Unity March, Paz y Unidad, y de ahí se formó los mismos Brown Berets que ya estaban grandes, empezaron a invadir City Hall y ahora hay muchos latinos en City Hall, por de la huelga, pero ahora empezó la violencia, pues ya existía pues, ¿verdad? Pero la violencia empezó y entonces ellos se metieron a formar un grupo de mamases de la comunidad, porque cuando uno duele, todos dolemos aquí en el pueblo. Entonces ellos formaron este grupo de Peace and Unity y nosotros hemos estado ahí desde el año 95 y hasta ahorita hay 31 años que hacemos esta marcha y hasta ahorita está fuerte todavía.
Señorita.
Hello, my name is Claudia Arnold. I am the president of a volunteer group here in Watsonville called the Diamond Damsels. We are here as volunteers today. This is such a beautiful event. It is very important to support our community, I believe. So we're always so honored to be asked to come out and help. It's wonderful seeing all these families come together and just for our community. It's really important to show the support to the families that have lost loved ones due to violence. It's really sad. It's very heavy. I always tell my girls make sure to wear waterproof mascara because it is a beautiful event, but it is a very, very heavy feeling being here. But I'm always so honored to be here.
Mi nombre es Araceli, yo también soy parte del grupo de mis amigas Diamond Damsels y estamos siendo también voluntarias para este gran evento. Pienso que es muy importante apoyar en contra de la violencia, porque si no estamos haciendo nada, estamos siendo parte de eso. Es muy importante que salgamos y apoyemos estos programas como voluntarias, que vayamos a las huelgas a caminar con ellos para que nuestros hijos y los que vienen después de nuestros hijos tengan un mejor futuro. Es bien importante que estemos aquí presentes para una mejor comunidad. Gracias.
Hi, my name is Mia. I'm part of the Diamond Damsels here in Watsonville. I'm not from here, but I always love coming here. It's very welcoming and open, inviting community. I love Watsonville, and I love being able to volunteer and help the people of the community and see these beautiful things. I passed out tissues. I needed a few tissues, but all in all, it's been a very positive, wonderful, beautiful day. So I always love coming to Watsonville. I'm always accepted with open arms.
That is just fantastic, and I really applaud you for your efforts and saying that it's been the 31st annual event. That says a lot. It speaks a lot about the community and the unity, and if it wasn't for you folks that are putting the effort into this, getting the word out and supporting the community, especially the victims, it's just outstanding, and I really applaud you for that. It's so awesome to have this kind of support for our community. Keep up the great work. I really appreciate the interview. I'm glad that I found you, and I'll try to make the next event. For
Thank
sure.
you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Can I mention a few names that I did?
Absolutely, yes.
I just mentioned a few, but who is part of the coalition of peace and unity is, besides Louis and Felipe, it's Mary Lou, Alejo, and me, and Maura, and Ellen Hicks. Maura Leonora and Fabian, her husband, and Ellen Hicks was before us. I mean, he joined us, but now he still participates, but not in the coalition now. But still, they're very strong people, and we're getting more people involved in this in the coalition. And as we grow, we bring in more people in.
job developer for Alcance for Community Action Board, and this is an event we're putting on. It's the Peace and Unity March, and it's to support all the family members and the people who've lost people due to violence in our community. So I guess this is the 31st annual event, and it's a really nice thing to bring the community together to support the people who've lost loved ones and anybody who's been affected by violence. So we're really happy to put it on. And
that is fantastic, and I'm glad that I ran into you. I was just happened to be driving by on my way to buy propane, and I saw the event going on, and I just knew that I needed to stop and find out what's going on. And it's a great way to honor family loved ones that have fallen victims to violence.
It's kind of a thing. It's nice because right now we really need it. We really need to feel united.
If you don't mind me asking you a personal question on a personal level, do you have a loved one that was a victim of violence?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
Yeah. I had, he was like my brother. I knew him since he was born. He was my brother's best friend. And there was a big fight between a lot of young people at one point down in Santa Cruz, and he got stabbed and his lung got punctured and he almost died, and that changed him. I mean, it changed he was like a ghost after, and he chose to take his life shortly after that.
I'm so sorry for your loss. That is very tragic to hear, and it breaks my heart. And I know that you have community support behind you, and events like this absolutely honor his memory.
This event is really special to the Community Action Board. We definitely want to promote peace and unity throughout the community. We are very involved in the community, so.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much for this small interview. I really appreciate it, and again, so sorry for your loss.
Thank you.